Good morning. Welcome to Perth. This is a Sunday morning and yeah, it's time to get out and explore. So I flew back in to Perth late last night from New Zealand. I'd been home visiting family, and Lulu the Landy has been parked in Perth actually for quite a while I've been away, and she's at the mechanics at the moment. Amazing mechanic, Jordan Rovertech here in Perth, doing a fabulous job. I knew some work needed to be done on the power steering. I bought a replacement power steering box, had to be replaced. They found a few other things. It's quite a long list. Unfortunately, I'm not sure how much it's going to cost them. I'm a little bit worried about that. But bushes need to be replacing. Sounds like my rear wheel bearings had water in them. It's like, oh my goodness, a few things like that. So yeah. So while Lulu's in with Jordan Rovertech, I've got an Airbnb which is literally 2 blocks that way, which is kind of fabulous. So yeah, now it's time to go explore. I must admit, it's slightly weird being back in a city. There are police sirens, I've seen homeless people, which is hard to see. So it's really different being back in a city. Sunday morning, it's not raining, it's sunny, and this is another adventure. So let's go and enjoy. Sun's just coming up behind the buildings. Nice early Sunday morning in Perth. You're not worried about me at all, are you? Hey? Wow, check this out. Catching that early morning light. I love the way the glass in these buildings is catching the light. I mean, typically I don't think much of human architecture, but curves and colour and light, this is really beautiful.
Area. We should head back, or power will be cut off.
Oh, no it won't. Don't cut off my power. Can't be out of the service area. So I've just paddleboarded with dolphins. Look, I just love it. I never ever get sick of spending time with them. There were pelicans as well, and lots of other bird life, which is really, really lovely. And I have to say, I'm actually enjoying being somewhere where I can just set up, and I'm going to go meet some people that I've agreed to house sit for not far from here. So I've got 3 different house sittings lined up, and I'm going to go meet them over the weekend, which I'm really looking forward to. And that'll give me time to be able to do a bit more work easily from someone's home, clean up my truck, do a few things. So but tonight I have electricity. I'm going to have another hot shower. I've just been out paddleboarding with dolphins. It's lovely. Yeah. It's not all bad in a caravan park. Yay! Gonna go for a paddle before the wind picks up too much. Just seen a beautiful fishing eagle fly by with a fish in its mouth. I'm trying to get back to where I started before it gets too dark. But look at these colours. Time to paddle. That rainbow. This is Martin's Tank Campground in the Yalgurup National Park. Awesome big shared fire pit area, bit of a dining area and some lovely camping sites. And I arrived late yesterday afternoon and didn't get to the beach, so I'm just going to head down to the beach, well not the beach, to the lake, which is a protected lake that you're not allowed to actually go on in the paddleboards and stuff because of the delicate nature of the wildlife. So let's go have a look. Beautiful surroundings, quite a lot of wildlife in the park, which is lovely. This little lake is called Martin's Tank. Let's go for a walk. Paper bark. Soft and amazing. Obviously my rubbish bag cannot be left outside the truck tonight. Okay, so this little possum has been, oh hello, you're with your friends. Been in my rubbish bag, haven't you? Yes, oh you've got some of my fighting over some of the broccoli. Hey, you two. They literally came right up to me. Hey? Oh, you dropped it now. Hey? I don't think your friend wants you to take it. No. Hello, little one. You have a very beautiful long nose. That's where my rubbish bag was ripped down by the possums. Yes. These colours are beautiful, aren't they? So use this rhomboliths. These lakes are important migratory lakes and birds all the way from Russia and China through Australia. And these apparently provide a lot of the food that the birds feed on. So there we go. Rhomboliths look like rocks, but ancient forms of microbial communities that photosynthesize. Say hello. Yes, that's it. We're doing really good. It's a cold, windy day here today, so we've got our puffer on. We've been on a walk for the beach, and now we're just doing a bit of driving around, aren't we? Yes. For our first walk, this is Frankie and Elsie. We've just been out for our first walk. Yes, we have. We've got our jackets back on again. Hello. Frankie. You're Frankie. Hello, Elsie. You've come in too. Oh, yes. In the trampoline. Yes. You guys are crazy. This is goodbyes, cuddles with Frankie and Elsie. Yes. We've got, yes, what have you found a toy? Yes. So, oh yes, you guys are just crazy, aren't you? It's amazing how heavy they are. Like, they're just little dogs. But this fella, oh, come here. This fella, he's tiny. God, he's got to weigh at least 20 kilograms. Oh, and I've just lost, oh my goodness, and he's just good at chomping things. So, yeah. So today is my last day in house sitting with these fellas. Oh, girl, Elsie and Frankie. And, yes, hello, yes. So, yeah, oh, it's crazy. Yes. Your owners are going to be back today. Yes, they are.